Hi guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. So today we're doing something a little different. We are doing a $1 clearance sale. This is a final sale. So what will happen is I will assign each item a number. You're going to claim here in the video by number. You don't have to email me. So like if you wanted this paparazzi set, you would put in the comments that you want number 1. And the sale will stay open for 5 or 7 days, not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. And it's everything will be $1. So, and then what I'm going to do at the very end, after the week is up, I will put closed on the sale, and I will keep a completed and sold list, and then everything else is going to go into a bag, and that we'll sell it that way. So, all right. Well, if you're new here, I'm Deborah, Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I do online jewelry sales every Saturday at 12 noon Central Standard Time. A lot of sterling silver, but we also do costume. So we are amidst of our February super clearance. I will be doing these every month. And this is all final sales. So every item in this section is going to be $1. So, all right. Let's get started. So don't forget, you're going to claim by number down here in the comment section. So number 1 is a paparazzi earring and necklace set. It's brand new. It's really pretty, really long. Beautiful item. So number 1 is $1. All right. So let me know if you guys like these sales. I love these sales. These are my favorite sales to do, because I want to get this pretty jewelry into someone's hand. So this is reversible. It is Charming Charlie. So it's blue on this side, red on this side. Really beautiful. Let me flip that over so you can see it. There we go. So number 2, $1. Really pretty. All right. Number 3, I'm going to do some of the larger pieces first just to get them off my set, is an acrylic butterfly on a string. It is really pretty. Number 3, $1. Number 4 is, again, I don't know what material this is. It is black with a light mauve. Almost feels like an acrylic or a clay. It is strung. It is an adjustable necklace. Number 4 is $1. Everything's $1, but just in case someone comes in late to the video, this way I will just go ahead and give prices. So this is really pretty silver tone with rhinestones. Here is the back. There is some discoloration, and my house phone is ringing. This is number 5. That'll be $1. All right. I had to take that. My car is ready. Number 6 is silver tone with really pretty dangles. Silver tone on one side, shell on the other. It is marked right there. Really nice piece. So number 6 is $1. Number 7, let's stick with some shells. This is really pretty. So we've got green and blue shell necklace with beads. These are acrylic beads. Really pretty necklace. Number 7, $1. Number 8 is a silver tone necklace. This one is also marked, this one's Aeropostale, and it has little dangles of keys. It's got a little ring. It's got the Eiffel Tower, a dove, a heart, miscellaneous. So number 8, you guessed it, $1. Number 9, these are acrylic faux pearl. Sorry, I folded it so it wouldn't get tangled, and guess what? I tangled it. Okay, so it's super long. There is wear there, but this is super long. It just keeps going and keeps going. So really pretty necklace. I'll get that untangled for you. Number 9 is $1. Number 10 is pretty. It's like Bali inspired. Really beautiful there. It is a deep gold tone, and this is like a burgundy, like wire, and it is adjustable with a tassel at the end. Pretty. Number 10, $1. Number 11 was new. It's a brass tone chain with acrylics and aventurine, and then gold tone. It is a long necklace. Let me bring that into film there. So number 11, $1. Number 12 is a pair of earrings. They're gold tone, and I'm not sure if they're actual shark tooth or not. I'm not positive. And then there is a pendant that goes with it, but this is silver tone. So you see gold tone, silver tone. But I'm sure you could always change that out if you wanted to. So number 12, if I can get them picked up. Okay, there we go. Let me get them in my hands. Oh, that's sharp. Number 12 is $1, and that's for the 3 pieces. Number 13 is a silver tone bracelet with acrylic purples. Love the dangle. Number 13, and that's $1. All right, so we're going on to number 14. I'm not sure how many pieces we'll get through on this video, so we will see. Number 14 is silver tone, gold tone, and gunmetal. Really beautiful condition bracelet. Number 14, $1. Number 15 is a little seal with a faux pearl. This is a newer brooch. Number 15, $1. Number 16 is gorgeous. It's copper with these like shell pieces, and this is adjustable. It's very bendy, which is really nice. It's a little misshapen right now, but you could shape that up really easily. Number 16, $1. Number 17 kind of has that same design as that necklace we had. There's a little bit of wear here to the gold tone, but it is a hinged bracelet. Really pretty. It will fit about a 7, a little bit below. So number 17, excuse me, $1. All right, 18 is, I think it's a purse hanger. Not sure. It hangs like this, but isn't that pretty? So you could reuse all of these rhinestones or convert this to something, gosh, excuse me, key ring. So key ring, really pretty, beautiful stones in it. We're doing it for $1. Number 19 is the cutest little wiener dog ever. This is a little glass pendant. Super cute. Number 19. Number 20 is some grapes. It is a brooch. Excellent condition. Faux pearls. Number 20 is $1. 21 is more of a vintage gold tone brooch. It is pretty. No markers on it. It is number 21. $1. 22 is a necklace. This is some kind of a base metal with a tiger's eye, and then this could be like Parisian turquoise, and then coral. There is a piece of coral missing here, but I thought someone may still like this to reuse the pieces. So number 22 is $1. Number 23 is a pair of earrings. I have them connected here, so they are a really pretty design. Gold tone earring. Number 23, $1. Number 24 is new on the card that's ripped. Marley Lily. Really pretty black and rhinestone earrings. So 24, $1. 25 is a sunflower jewelry black bracelet. It's really pretty. I love this piece. I just think it's so unique. Chain, and it comes in its box. So number 25 is $1. 26 is a pair of Sugar Fix earrings. Aren't those sweet? I think they're really cute. Really just different. So number 26 is $1. 27, I think these are made by Madewell. I'm not positive. Where'd the other one go? I've got a container over here with the earrings in it so they wouldn't get lost. So you can see they have different colored enamels. I'm trying to get this one to lay correctly. So it looks like this when you're wearing it. Really pretty. Windshield wiper. Number 27. These are $1. Number 28 is a cute little pin. It is a guardian angel to watch over you. Number 28 is $1. Number 29 is an M. I don't know if this is from McDonald's. I have no idea. It's not marked anywhere. It is a men's tie clip. So I guess you could do it this way too. It could be a W or an M. So number 29 is $1. Let me grab some more numbers here. Number 30 is a pair of fashion earrings. They are gold tone hoops for pierced ears. Those are $1. Number 31 is an adjustable silver tone ring with a faux turquoise. It is supposed to look aged. That is number 31 for $1. Number 32, he is back. Excuse me. We've got our elephant with rhinestones and then really great glass here. I'm sure one of you guys could do something crafty with this. So number 32 for $1. Number 33 is a pair of gold tone earrings. Again, I have them attached so I wouldn't lose them. This is what they look like. They're really pretty, beautiful design, classic. 33 is $1. Number 34 is a little cameo brooch with faux pearls. Here is the back. Number 34 is $1. Number 35 is a silver tone, interesting ring. Let me get my ring sizer. Oh, I moved my desk around, so this one's small. This is about 5 1/4. It is black, and this is some kind of like, I don't know, acrylic, rubber, not positive. It's just a different type of ring. 35 is $1. 36 is a cute little charm. It's a monkey. Look at him. That's sweet. It's gold tone. Number 36 is $1. 37 is a pendant with no bail. It is a mermaid with some abalone. Now, I'm not sure if it's true abalone or if it's an acrylic, but it's still really pretty, and I'm sure someone could craft something beautiful out of that. 37 is $1. 38 is a wing with a bow and arrow brooch, gold tone. Number 38 is $1. All right, let me grab a few more numbers here. All right, 39 is a beautiful pair of earrings. Let me see if I can find the other one. So these are brass tone with blue and white beadings and brass colored earrings. Aren't they just lovely? Number 39, those are $1. Number 40 is a pair of earrings. So these are enamel, they are textured, they are gold tone, they are marked. I can't remember who the marking is offhand, but they are beautiful. Number 40 is $1. Number 41 are screw back earrings, but these are so pretty. If I can get it out here to show you. Okay. All right, I'm going to leave them attached, and then I'll get them unattached for you guys. So they are blue, and it feels like a clay almost, but these are older. Really lovely earrings. Screwback number 41 is $1, and I just threw my number across the room. The struggle is real, you guys. 42 is a pair of acrylic silver tone flower earrings for pierced ears. Number 42, and those are $1. Number 43 is an acrylic pink faceted silver tone necklace. Really a pretty piece, and I guessed it, it's $1. Number 44 is on a string here. It's adjustable, and it's got a heart and purple, just really lovely. Somebody definitely painted that or something, but it is pretty. Number 44, and that's $1. Number 45 is a bracelet that's adjustable, and these are acrylic. Let me lay this out here. So they are pink acrylic faceted, and I do have my bracelet mandrel. Look at that. I was prepared. So about 6 3/4 at the most. I would say 6 1/2. So number 45 is $1. Number 46 is an acrylic faceted yellow, pretty for springtime, mesh necklace. It's about 16 inches. Number 46 is $1. Number 47 is another pair of beautiful beaded earrings. So these are in like a pyrite color, blues, and a little bit lighter blue, and then like a peacock color. They are silver tone. Number 47 is $1. Number 48 is a pair of another acrylic earrings. These are silver tone dangles with a really pretty faceted acrylic piece. Number 48, those are $1. Number 49 is a beautiful shell necklace with gray and purple. It is 16 inches. Number 49 is $1. And I know I have more numbers. Okay, I have a few more items, so we'll go ahead and go past 50. We have another shell. This one is really pretty. It's white with what looks like maybe a faux turquoise. I'm not sure. It's definitely like some kind of painted, maybe ceramic necklace. It is smaller. This one is about 15 inches, number 50, and that is $1. Number 51 is a waxed material here. You've got 3 layers, silver tone at the bottom. Number 51, and that's $1. Number 52 is a silver tone necklace. This is acrylic. I'm not sure what kind of design that is. Maybe a leaf or a feather. I think it's a feather. Number 52, and that is $1. We have 2 more items in this. All right, and then we have a beaded. These are plastic, and it's gold tone and faux pearls. So there is no clasp on it. It goes down here, and then it is conjoined here in a little bow. So you have a tassel, really pretty necklace, number 53, and that's $1. And the last item for this $1 sale is a pair of rhinestone earrings. I will put some backings with these. So really pretty drapey earrings, silver tone. All the rhinestones are there. So number 54. And those will be $1. So don't forget, you claim down here in the comments, put the number in, and I will keep a completed sold list. If orders come in overnight, or if I'm away for an hour or so from my computer, what I will do is I will check to see the timestamp to see who came in first, in case there are multiple people interested in the same item. And I will hold these until each Saturday. So like, I think this is coming up on a Thursday sale, or it could be a Tuesday sale, not sure. I will hold them for the next week, either that Saturday, or, you know, if you want them sooner, not a problem. I can invoice right away. So if you guys like the $1 super clearance, so let me know in the comments. Just leave me a comment right there. And as always, thank you, and be well. Take care of each other, and tell someone you love them today. And don't forget, claim by number right down there. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.